Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change username of IMDb account. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change the username of IMDb account. Maybe when you created your account, you did a spelling mistake when you were entering your username and now you want to correct it. Or maybe you don't like your username anymore and you want to change it. Or it could be any other reason for you to change your username on IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the IMDb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. On the home page, we have a lot of movies based on its categories and different stuff like featured ones and all that. After that, what you have to do is that you have to look down, and there you will see these four options. You have to click on this right option, which is a profile icon. Once you click here, you will land into this page. And now you have to click on this settings icon, or you can go with this option. Both of the options will take you to the same page, so you can choose whatever you prefer, but I am going with the settings icon. Once you get here, you will first read the title of settings and you will find all these options. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you have to click on this first option which says account. Once you click here, you read its title account and you will see all these options. So here you could see its option, it says user ID, and under it your username is written. But if you want to change it, you have to click on this option which says edit profile. Once you click here, now you have to click on this option which says sign it with IMDb. Just simply tap on this option. Once you get here, first you have to enter the email address that you have used while you were creating IMDb account, and after that you have to enter the password that you used when you were creating IMDb account. Once you enter to these options, you have to click on sign in, and then it will take you to the next step where you can edit your username. So right now I'm just got signed into my account, and now we have this option which says edit profile, and under it we have an option through which we can edit our user ID, which is username. So if you want to change it, you have to click on edit, and after that it will just take a while and will load your current one. So you have to click on it, and then you have to remove the existing one. Here you can add your real name or whatever comes to your mind. You can add it, and then you can paste it as your username. Once you enter your username, make sure you choose a unique one, because if someone else has it, it will not create it on. After that, just simply click on save changes. It will just take a while and your username will be changed. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your username on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.